Welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to make a very fun DIY for Father's Day. Super easy and
very cute. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Here's some of the supplies you'll need to make this awesome gift. For the full list of supplies, visit the link below. Okay, before I started, my mom went to Home Depot and bought some MDF board and dowels. Then she got it cut down to size. If you don't have the tools to cut it, Home Depot has the cutting section. Next, use some wood glue to glue the dowels to the edge of the MDF board. Once the glue is set, she used the spray paint to paint it. To make sure our photos worked with our letters, we opened each photo on the computer screen and laid our printable on top. This helped us envision how the letter would look. Then we cut each letter out and laid it on our printed photo. Since it was hard to see behind the letter, we held it up in front of the window to make sure we didn't cut any faces out. Then my mom helped me hold the letter down while I traced it with the marker. Here's how it should look once done. Okay, next my mom helped me neatly cut it out with some scissors. She very carefully cut out the center of each letter with an X-Acto knife. This helped get a clean finish. We followed the same instructions with the rest of the letters. Then I picked a quote and my mom made a mirror image printable of the quote. We neatly cut out the quote and aligned it along the bottom. You can use olive oil or express transfer to help transfer your print. We used express transfer and lightly applied it around each letter with a Q-tip. A drop goes a long way. Once we were done, I used a pen to trace each letter. When you lift the paper, your print should have transferred. Next, I used a Sharpie to trace the quote. You don't need to use a transfer print to write your quote. It's totally optional. I just wanted it to look neat. Okay, to make sure our letters were glued on evenly, we cut out a little piece of paper to guide us along the way. My mom used Mod Podge and applied a thin coat on the back of each letter. Then she applied each letter gently onto the board, making sure they're evenly apart and the same height from the top. And that's it. Here's how it looks all done. Happy Father's Day, everyone. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed this video and go make your dads happy.
Yes.
Subscribe down below.
Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. We will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.